Hello, and welcome to this review of Revoicer voice cloning.
Hello, and like I said, welcome to this review of Revoicer voice cloning. So today an email dropped into my inbox all about Revoicer voice cloning, so I thought I'd take a look. Now, you can get Revoicer voice cloning as an upgrade for standard Revoicer. Now, you'll notice it costs $17 per month, so it is a monthly fee. Now, Revoicer, of course, costs $67 as a one-time fee, and you can see my standard review of that using the card in the top right. But $17 a month does sound very good. Even though it claims there's a 75% discount for lifetime, it still seems quite expensive. So anyway, I've bought a month's worth of Revoicer voice cloning, and let's have a look at it. So you'll notice here in language, I can pick cloned voice. So I'm going to show you how I clone my voice. It's very easy. I click on this clone voice button. I have to consent to using the voice cloning. And then once I do, all I have to do is click on this button to record my voice. And I just read this out and then I stop. Equally, I can load a voice file that I've already pre-recorded, and then I wait around 20 seconds and it processes the voice and my voice is cloned. Once your voice is cloned, it appears here in languages. So we've got our normal languages, and I'm going to go back to British English. This is what I'm used to using and this is what I'm used to seeing. But then if I go right to the top of this menu, I've got my clone voices. So we still get all the other voices we had before, but we just have a cloned voice as well. I notice here we only have one tone, and many viewers will say that I only have one tone anyway. So now I've got to the point of the review where I would do a conclusion, but I'm actually going to use AI Voice Clone Me to do the conclusion, and I'm going to use Revoicer.
So now, it's the part of the video where I do the conclusion. This will be done using an AI cloned voice, my voice. I think that it's great that Revoicer offers voice cloning. The cloning process is quick and easy, with a good guide and setup. The actual process takes less than a minute start to finish, but does my voice sound like me? Well, almost. It has a similarity, but I wouldn't say it's a true clone. I felt that the voice cloning in speech key was much closer to my actual voice. I also feel that the price is very expensive and is a subscription. Revoicer is all about one-time fee rather than subscriptions, so this feels a bit disappointing.